SQT 18MS, manufacture date 893, serial number 108156. There's the electrical cabinet. All the drives are up with no alarms. Coming around the front. Manual rapid travel in Z. X. And B axis. C axis, main spindle run at 50 RPMs up to 13, 14, 1700 RPMs. C-axis connect. Live tooling at 20 RPMs. Running up to maximum speed of 3000. Back down to 1000 RPMs. Turret index. Live tooling running on a horizontal holder at 1000 RPM. Tool eye down. The sensor is stuck right now, so it will not retract, but the tool eye will be functional with the replacement sensor.